Experiencing SIM card problems with your Cricket wireless phone? This video will quickly guide you through the most common issues and how to fix them. We'll cover activation problems, issues when swapping SIM cards, and what to do if your phone isn't recognizing the SIM. For activation problems, first ensure your Cricket account is active and paid up. Check that your device is compatible with Cricket's network. Then, verify the APN settings. Cricket uses NDC with no username or password. When swapping SIM cards, always power off your device first to avoid data corruption. Use the SIM ejector tool that came with your phone. Align the SIM with the notch facing up and gold contacts down. Then press gently until it clicks. If your phone isn't recognizing the SIM, check for dust or damage in the slot. Clean gently if needed. Ensure the gold contacts face down and the notch aligns properly. Use gentle pressure to insert, and if it doesn't click, the slot may be faulty. Remember, Cricket Wireless is now heavily integrated with AT&T, so network issues can sometimes affect SIM functionality. Make sure you always use official Cricket SIMs to avoid counterfeit problems that can block activation. Let's get straight to solving your SIM issues. For activation problems, ensure your account is active and the SIM is properly inserted. Cricket's app can help diagnose activation errors with real-time error codes. When swapping SIMs, power off both devices to prevent data issues. If your phone says no SIM, check for dust or damage in the SIM slot and ensure the SIM is correctly aligned. A faulty SIM slot may need professional repair. Also, keep your device software updated, as this resolves many compatibility issues. With eSIM becoming more common, consider using it if your device supports it. It often simplifies the activation process. If problems persist, the Cricket Wireless app offers self-service tools, and the support team is user-friendly and responsive. If all else fails, two-factor authentication beyond SMS can help prevent SIM swapping scams.